Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video, we are opening up a secret Santa approved package here from Bath & Body. So let's get in and let's get into the package. All right guys, welcome back. So yes, as I said, we are opening up a secret Santa approved package here from Bath & Body. For those of you who don't know, if you follow my blog, I do a lot of Bath & Body reviews, but we also do other reviews there as well. So definitely check out the blog. The link will be under the video. And of course, make sure you're subscribed here if you dig videos like this. All right, so I don't know if you guys took advantage of that deal where Bath & Body said if you spent $30 on an order, you can get this package worth $100 for $30. So yes, I couldn't resist. I was actually holding off for Candle Day, but this offer just seemed too good to be true. It was really good. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys what came in this package just in case. If you got this package, let me know in the comments section below what you guys thought of it. Now, I like this one. I love the way that they positioned it as a gift. It came separate, aside from my regular Bath & Body order. And I like the little postcard that they put. So Bath & Body, you did really good on this one. This is the first deal like this that I've took advantage of. Normally I don't. I have taken advantage of like free offers with orders and things like that. But if you don't know, definitely make sure that you have that Bath & Body Rewards app, because that's how you get a heads up. We were without, this was like a Black Friday deal, but if you have the Rewards app, there was like days before it was even live at the stores and online is when you can take advantage of this. So I love the fact of the Rewards app. So, you know, if you have it, definitely go get it. If not, there's ways that you can get it. So definitely, if you're not too sure, if you don't have it, you can ask me a question underneath the video in comments and I'll definitely share with you how I have it, but I do have it as well. Okay, so like I said, this came in a separate package. And I like the little postcard that came with this order. What it says is, it says your order may arrive within multiple packages at no extra shipping cost to you. For additional information, you can go, but it says thank you for shopping with us. And then on the back, it just says, did you know that you can check to see if your items might be coming in a separate mail? Oh, and they have like a QR code there. So if that's something new, I've never, and if you follow my blog or my YouTube channel, you guys know I rarely go to the stores to get any packages, so I mainly shop online. So this is the first time I'm seeing like anything like this, so this is super cool. All right, now second, let's talk about the packaging for this gift here. So this is perfect. This would have been perfect for someone as a gift. I love the ribbon you see the ribbon at the top, the ribbons around it. Very, very nice. So if I wanted to, and I wasn't selfish, which I'm keeping this one was for me, I would definitely give this out as a gift to someone. But because I have to share with you guys, I had to share what's in this package. So let me see if we can grab this open here and take a look to see what is in this package. Once I figure out how to get it open. Oh, I need a knife. Thank God I have my knives, and you probably saw I had my little pajama pants there. Ain't no shame in the game. So yes, I am relaxing. All right, so this is how the packages actually came. So that was kind of a surprise, because I thought it was gonna be like opening up like the FabFitFun boxes that you open and everything's laid out. So this is a little bit different. So yeah, definitely surprised at that. The ribbon is super cute. You can see that you can use it for something else. So let's dive into this one and see what all came in this box here. All right, so first we'll start off with the little thing that's on the very front. If you hear the jiggling, that's my dog. So he's running around. He saw somebody in the backyard. Hopefully he does not bark, so we'll keep our fingers crossed. All right, so this here is crushed candy cane. So that's a pocket back for that. And this one, let me see what it smells like. Definitely, smells like candy cane, exactly the title. So that's what that smells like there. And then the next thing we have is Christmas candy cane. And this is, hold on, this is a hand cream. So definitely love the packaging. This is totally gonna give you like a Christmas vibe. So like I said, this is totally perfect for someone. And my kids are gonna probably steal this one right here. This is a pocket back holder. So if you've never used a pocket back holder, my kids have them all the time. Basically, you just put, this is it goes on top of your pocket back. So it gives it like a little design. It covers the top. There's different pocket backs, but this one you can actually put on a keychain, especially now. I actually have hand sanitizer on my keychain, so this is definitely can replace it. And you see there, it looks super cute with its little cap there. So really, really good, guys. All right, so the next thing we have here is crushed candy cane, and this is the single wick candle for this. So definitely stay tuned, because I will always be, anytime I get a candle, you guys know for the most part, I say from 90 to 80%. I do review them on my blog or on my YouTube, so definitely check those out. And again, it smells like candy cane. So if you like the scent of candy cane, this is perfect. So I would say that the candle, as you can see, because I know the lighting sometimes for candles on videos are weird, but this is like that pinkish kind of color. So it would have been, just a heads up, Bath and Body, if you're even listening, this would have been, I think, perfect in red, but I will take the pink as well. And then let me see if we can tell here what the notes are. So, no, I don't see the notes, but I'll look at the bigger one, because the bigger one is gonna have it as well. So, so we have Delilah. We got a Delilah shower gel, so you have that. And let me see what this smells like here. It has like a rosy scent, so if you like florals, this is gonna be perfect. So the notes for this are Velvet Delilah Petals, Crisp Pear Praline Musk, and then Whipped Tonica Bean. So this, for me, it gives me more of a floral, kind of pearish vibe, but more floral than pear, in my opinion. So if you like scents like that, this is gonna be perfect. And then, of course, they gave you a 24-hour moisture body cream, the body lotion that coincides. So definitely, this goes together. So really pretty, and you know, we will definitely take advantage of that. Let me make sure there's nothing else here, nothing else. And then also, so this is like a collection here. So this is the Delilah Fragrance Mist, same scent there, pretty packaging. Definitely perfect for someone who's into the florals. And then 'Tis the Season hand soap. So that's really cool. Now the notes for this one are red apple, ground cinnamon, and then clove. So this is, I love the packaging. Definitely gonna hide this, because my kids tend to use up stuff that's seasonal, and they just totally use it when they're not supposed to. I'm very strict with stuff like that. I like stuff to come out when it's supposed to. All right, so last but not least for this package, we have 'Tis the Season. So this is gonna be the full candle. Love the packaging. I actually love the color of the candle. See, that color would have been perfect for the candy cane single wick candle. I think that color would have been perfect, but they probably didn't want to have the same color for that one, which is fine. We will digress with that. And then smells like cinnamon. So this is really good. So if you like cinnamon, this is definitely a candle that you want to get. So the notes for this, let me show you guys if you want to double check. The notes for this is red apple, sweet cinnamon, and cedar wood. For me, the note that I smell the most is cedar wood. And just cold, it smells like it's gonna be strong, so which is perfect. If you like foodie scents like this is gonna be perfect, because I can see that you guys will find out in a future video, but I can assume that this might be super strong, which is perfect if you like strong scents. So that is it. Can't believe they put that all in a box, but what did you guys think of this Santa approved box? Is it approved by you guys? What is approved? I would say this was definitely worth it. Normally, if you got these things separate, it definitely would have been more than $100, but to get them all for $30, candle, basically everything that you would want to get yourself or want to give as a gift, this was perfect. So if you got one, awesome. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. But with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.